Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Tradelle for dropshipping, so let's get started. In this video, I'll explain how Tradelle works and how you can use it to start dropshipping products easily without holding any inventory. First of all, Tradelle is a dropshipping supplier platform that allows you to find trending products and sell them through your own online store, especially on Shopify. To begin, open your browser and go to the official Tradelle website. From there, sign up for an account using your email address and complete the basic registration process. Once you're logged in to your Tradelle dashboard, you'll be able to browse a wide range of products. These products already include images, descriptions, and pricing suggestions, which saves you a lot of time. You can filter products by category, shipping location, or trending status to find items that are more likely to sell. After selecting a product, the next step is to connect Tradelle with your Shopify store. Tradelle provides direct integration with Shopify, so you can easily link your store by following the connection steps inside the dashboard. Once connected, you can import products directly into your store with just a few clicks. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, the order details are automatically sent to Tradelle. Tradelle then handles the product fulfillment and shipping to your customer, while you keep the profit margin between your selling price and the supplier cost. It's also important to check shipping times, product quality, and pricing before listing items, so you can provide a good experience to your customers and avoid refunds or disputes. That's how you can use Tradelle for dropshipping in a simple and beginner-friendly way. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.